Hi, how are you? Let's draw the picture of Ramadan Mubarak here. For this, let's draw a curved line along this one. It's like a half circle, and the curved line is the symbolic presentation of moon. So the curved line is done. Let's make the outside thicker. All right, we can put shades by the pencil to make the moon little thicker. All right, so we are working on the other line which is on the upper side and drawing the moon here. Okay, let's draw a mosque in this side like this. Okay, so the big door in the middle, small door window by the side, another small window by the side. There's a large dome on top of it, another dome here. We can see a tall structure by the side of this one. All right, like this. And a big dome. Okay, it's like a longer dome on top of it. All right, we can draw a door here, two windows below that chamber, another two windows below that chamber, and a door here. Here we get a big door in the middle of this structure, two windows by this side and two windows here. Let's put dark shade in this side. All right, now we can put, let's put purple shape, no problem, any shade is good for the dome. As the lights coming from one side, so we get the shades on the other side. The same thing, lights and shadow for this side too. Let's put one side lighter and the other side darker. All right, little shade at the bottom of the moon all over the structure. Here combine with the rose color, little red. All right, so it's the Ramadan Mubarak. It's a basic drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.